Welcome viewers, today we are going to prepare raw mango juice, in easy and simple way. Mango is considered king of the fruit because of its amazing health benefits. Raw mango contains vitamin A, C, calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, folate etc. Let's see the ingredients we need for this recipe. We have taken 2 raw mangoes chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, sugar, mint leaves for juice and for garnish. We are using Jaljeera powder for seasoning. It contains cumin, black pepper, black salt, dry ginger etc. Now we blend all together to make a fine paste. You can use coriander leaves along with mint leaves if available. Use sugar as per your taste. We have taken 3 tablespoons. If Jaljeera powder is not available, then use black salt, roasted cumin powder, black pepper powder and ginger separately. Now adding cold water in small quantity to mix it nicely. Raw mango juice helps digestion and control constipation, cleanses the liver by extracting waste from our body. It also helps for formation of new blood cells. Find the detail about ingredients and making process in below description. Now add more water as per serving portion required. Check for any correction needed. Blend it for final time. Now it's time for serving. You can use ice cubes for serving. As we've used cold water during mixing, we are not using ice cubes. Now garnish with fresh mint leaves. Viewers, hope you find this video easy to make. Try this recipe in this summer and enjoy with your family and friends. We'll bring another raw mango recipe shortly. Till then, we request you to stay tuned by subscribing our channel and pressing the bell icon below. If you find this video informative and useful, don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching.